So, I'm called the Ding Dong Ditcher. Sometimes Dylan. But mostly the DDD. I'm going to show you how to Ding Dong Ditch that house right there. First, you have to walk casual. Get that doorbell and you just pop and ring. And then you gotta run. Look behind you the whole time though. Just go like that. And you have to get in the bush. You have to see. You have to pop your head out. Okay, watch and learn from the best. Amen.